Hi, this is Sheri Traxler with ViREO Life, author of Go Forward, 28 Days to Eat, Move, and Enjoy Life God's Way. A person with a clear purpose will make progress on even the toughest road. A person with no purpose, they're not going to make progress on even the smoothest road. Thomas Carlyle, a historian back in the 1800s, said that, and it is still true today. And that's what we're going to talk about is your big why. Whatever your goal is, whether it's I want to eat better, I want to sleep better, I want to exercise, I want to work more efficiently, whatever your goal might be, the question is why? I was talking with a client about this a few weeks ago, and as he said, I want to get back into the gym. I had one question, why? Why did he want to get back in the gym? I want to feel better. I want to have more energy. Let's go a level deeper. Why? Because I want to be more productive in my work and growing my business. Why? So that my business will succeed and I'll have more money. Why? Because I want to be able to not only provide for my family now, but also be able to buy a large piece of property so that my family over time, if they choose to, can build homes on it. Why? Because I want that sense of legacy with my family. Now we're getting somewhere. It's not just the why of I want to feel better. It's also I want to leave a legacy for my family. Now when he thinks about going to the gym, it's not I want to go to the gym 3 times a week. It's I want to leave a legacy for my family. The choice is not going to the gym. The choice is leaving a legacy for the family. Think about that for yourself. What are your deeper whys? For your big goals that you have, for your small goals that you have, why are they important to you? I've got a worksheet that will help you through this. Absolutely let me know that, and I will send that to you. And I look forward to talking with you next time. Remember to subscribe so that you can be the first to receive our new videos. And until next time, find your path and fulfill your potential.